everyone. So welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to study while loop. So what is while loop? While loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given boolean condition. So basically, what while loop does, it iterates through the code until the condition is met. And the syntax of while loop is while, then condition, and then block of code. So let's understand with the help of example. So here I will take a variable I and I will take value 0 while I less than 5, I equals to I plus 1, and then print I. So in this, what it's doing, look, like first it will check the condition. If condition is true, only in that case it will execute the code, and if condition is false, it will stop executing the code and it will come outside of the loop. So basically this is about the while loop. Like while loop, basically it iterates through the loop until the condition is true, and the moment when condition is false, it stop executing the code and come out of the loop. And in while loop we use else condition as well. So in this I will write condition is false. So the moment when condition is false in while loop, in that case it will not execute the code and it will come outside of the loop, and then it will print this else loop, this else condition. So this is all about the while loop, and I hope it's clear to you all. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section, and if you have any other question, then please let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.